All right, let's call this the 8-month review for the Carbon Creations rear deck lid. And I also found out recently that Carbon Creations is the carbon fiber arm of Duraflex. So that's why this thing is such a piece of shit and doesn't fit right. See this nice huge gap here? Out in the sun, it raises that high. I put it inside and I let it cool off, gap goes down. You can see maybe in the video there how much it goes up and down. Now there's something else I want to show you too, just with how shitty this thing is. Hear that? See it? See the whole, see the clouds moving, the flexing? Now we're going to go to the RK Sport carbon fiber hood, an actual good piece of quality material. Nothing. Solid. Because that's actually good carbon fiber, not this shit here. So I just wanted to throw this up real quick just to let everyone know, do not buy this Carbon Creations deck lid for your charger. Even though it does look nice, it does not function well at all.